Hi guys, welcome to the KNN project overview lecture. In this project, we are going to work with the real dataset on breast cancer diagnostic. We have worked with this dataset in our logistic regression project as well. Let's see how the KNN model works for this dataset. Let's have a quick overview on the tasks, what you are supposed to perform. So the first thing, we need to run this cell to import all the required libraries. Then he is reading the dataset breast underscore cancer underscore diagnostic in DF and displaying the columns. So the next is we will only consider 10 real valued features in this project for diagnostic. Please separate the required features along with diagnosis column. The list of columns is given below and display the head of the data. So this is the list of column. We need to separate the data frame using this list of columns. Here he is separating the list of columns and displaying the head. Now we have the data frame df ready to work with. The first task he is asking for, get the overview of your data using info. Is there any missing value? So output is given, you have to get this output. It's very simple to use info on the data frame. The next task is again very simple. Which type of breast cancer is common? You can use value count here. Moving forward, the next task is standardize the variables or features to get your data ready for KNN. Import standard scalar. So you need to import standard scalar from Scikit-learn and then create its instance as scalar. And moving forward, split the data into features and target to fit the scalar to the features only. The next task is asking for fit scalar to the features now. The next one is please get the scaled features into scaled feature variable. So you need to use dot transform here. The next task is do the train test split, use the test size 0.33 and random state 42. And moving forward, import the k-neighbor classifier and then create its instance with n neighbor equal to 1. Then fit the model to the training data. And here you have trained your model and then do the predictions in the next step. Print the confusion matrix and classification report. So if you're using the same split and same random state, you're going to get the same results. Now, he's asking to use elbow method to find the optimum value for k. Use k from 1 to 100. Do you think increasing k above the certain value is better for your model? So you have to find out the optimum value of k using elbow method. Once you got the error rate here, you need to plot that error rate versus k. And this is the plot you are getting here. So the next and last task is using k for minimum error rate, do the predictions and print confusion matrix and classification report. So if you notice, you got 0.96 precision here. And if you move up, you had 0.93. So it's worth using elbow method to find out the optimum value of k. So in this project, you are again improving the model with the optimum value of k. So guys, try to address all these tasks one by one before you move on to the solution lecture. I always suggest try yourself first. You can always reference to the solution lecture if you need any help. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.